There's a whole bunch of weed you're giving up tonight?
Yes.
Tell me why.
Well,
Come on.
I gave it up a year ago.
Yeah.
And I went through something that
Come on. I'll tell you this. Whatever you went through, you tried to numb the pain with the weed, huh? We were talking about this yesterday. Whenever you go to something else other than God, you're plugging into a different source. And you know, we all fall short to that glory, like to the glory of God. Whether it's weed, whether it's football, right? No, seriously, some people plug into the idolatry of football because it makes them feel good because they're not satisfied with the Lord's presence. The Lord's presence is it's the gasoline, it's the electricity to a Tesla, it's everything. So that's just gasoline for the flesh. And now you're done, huh?
I am.
Come on. You're free. Give him some praise. High five. Yeah, you got to cut off your plug. Send your plug a last text message and say, hey, here's the gospel of Jesus, and block them.